Working our way down the left side menu, you can see there's a gradebook. Your gradebook is going to show any homework or quizzes that need to be done, if they're incomplete, the date you worked them, and most importantly, you're going to have what your current grade is written up in this circle. So it will also show you how it is calculated, and this is where the weighted grading comes in. So if you don't do any work, you're going to have a 0 right there. You also to the right are going to have these bar graphs showing your progress throughout the semester. You can see that there were 29 homework assignments and 2 were complete. 0 out of 18 quizzes complete, 0 out of 4 tests, and then the 5 offline items are the projects and the final exam. So you'll be able to see your progress throughout the semester as these bars go farther and farther across as you complete more work. So you will always know what your current grade average is in the course by checking here in my stat lab, clicking on the grade book. So if you're not happy with the score you have, there may be a homework or quiz you could rework for a higher score. So keep that in mind. So the next item we're going to look at here on the left side menu is the lecture schedule, and that's found under the course information. Click lecture schedule. And here is the calendar for the Fall Online Math 106 course. You will see the due dates here, and do keep in mind that these due dates and times are all set to Mountain Standard Time because my Stat Lab and Blackboard are also set with Mountain Standard Time. So we're going to keep with that. And I have the schedule set by a week at a time. So all of the items you see here for the week of Tuesday, August 16th, that's our first day of classes, those items are due by August 21st. These technology tasks in blue are due August 16th, which is the first day of class. So make sure that you have those 2 technology tasks, the proctoring option forms, and the warnings quiz done by August 16th, but sections 1, 2, and 3 of Chapter 1 are not due until August 21st. So it goes a week at a time. I've highlighted here in green when we have exams, and you'll notice the exam is actually open for a couple of days. So whenever you are ready between August 26th to August 30th, you may open the exam. You have one chance only to take the exam. So once you open it, you will need to complete it and submit it. And it is due by August 30th, 11:59 p.m. So if you like to self-pace yourself here, you're going a little faster maybe, you might be ready to take it earlier on the 26th. Or if you need more time to study, you might take all the way to the 30th. Highlighted in blue are the Blackboard worksheets, and these are the items that you will need to submit in Blackboard. So you will go to the chapter, this would be Chapter 2 homework, since it's worksheet 2.1, 2.2, then there isn't another worksheet till 2.6 and 2.8. So those 4 worksheets, you will go to the Chapter 2 in Blackboard, and you will see those worksheets and a place to submit them there. Chapter 2 exam, again, has about 5 days of time that you are able to take that exam. And do keep in mind, these exams have prerequisites. If the homeworks, quizzes, and any worksheet assignments are not complete, the exam will not open. So you don't want to be getting a 0 because you didn't finish homework. Make sure that you complete the tests. I am not extending these dates. We have to adhere to these dates because we have many objectives to cover this year. And if everything gets delayed on the calendar, there will not be time to finish what is required of the course. At the very end, you can see information about the final exam. If you're choosing to take the final exam here on campus with my face-to-face group, that will be December 6th from 8 to 10 a.m. If you are choosing to use Proctor Free, there's going to be a window of time that the final will be open from December 2nd to December 6th. If you're choosing a different proctoring option at a testing center, then we will need to make arrangements with you personally as to when and where your exam will be. So this is just a brief introduction to what the lecture schedule involves. Make sure that you're keeping up with the course.